Martin Nicholls. I'm Chief Operating Officer for City and County of Swansea, and I've been attending to give evidence at the Enterprise and Business Committee. The main points I wanted to raise was how we, perhaps as an employer, could assist the committee in understanding to generate and create and help opportunities for young people into work. Yeah, I quite enjoyed the opportunity. We feel we have something that we could share of value to the committee, and it's nice to be asked to come along and give evidence. So it was a very nice opportunity, quite informal if committees can be informal. Obviously being from a public sector, I'm quite used to the committee structure, but I found it quite a pleasurable experience, which is perhaps quite strange to say. The session I participated in was for employers, so as for employers we were perhaps providing some comments, some advice, some guidance as to our experiences of how we think we can help youngsters back into work or into work. We would hope the committee would take those comments on board, and perhaps some of the barriers that we referred to could be overcome, and some of the best practice that exists out there already with employers could be enhanced to give more people opportunities to get back into work, which is what they're trying to achieve.